If with a smartphone and internet connection in 2024 and it happened that you are still broke, is it that you lack the right information or you are lazy? So guys, in today's video, I recommend you stay throughout this video so you can be able to get the information you need and as well as to prove that you are actually not lazy. Hi there, it's Leo here again. In case you are coming across this channel for the first time, hi, welcome. I create content around online and offline businesses and how you can be able to make money online and offline. So do well to join this beautiful family by smashing that subscription button. Yes, I'm talking to you watching this video right now. Go ahead and smash that subscription button. But hey, after smashing the subscription button, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload awesome content just like this one you're watching. And to my returning subscribers, I appreciate you always coming back to this channel. It's time you get notified of a new video and I do not take you for granted. So with all this being said, let's jump straight into the video. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to introduce us to a platform where you can be able to make a good amount of money for yourself every single day. Now, I'm going to take us through some steps. The first step is to show you the registration aspect of this platform. The second step is to show you 3 ways you can be able to make money using this platform. And the last step is to show you how you can be able to make your withdrawals and tell you my honest opinion about this platform. Now, I recommend you stick throughout the end of this video so you do not miss any single steps. With all this being said, guys, let's get into this video. Let's go, guys. So guys, the first thing you have to do is to click the link in the description of this video or the link pinned in the comment section of this video, right? Then it's going to bring you over to this page. Now, this is the first step you are going to do. Click on the link on the description of this video or the link I'm going to pin in the comment section of the video and it's going to bring you over to this page. Now, this is the registration aspect of this platform. So the first thing you have to do is to type in your first name, type in your last name, your email address, and then type in your phone number here, and over here you select your country over here. Okay, then this side you have to type in your password. Now the password you are going to type in is a password that you always remember. Okay, that's what you are going to type in over here, and remember to retype the password here for confirmation. Okay, so after typing in your password, the next thing you have to do is to click over here. This is where you are to select how you got to know about this platform. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and online ads, referral. So if you got to know about this site from Facebook, you select Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube. If you are being referred by a friend, you click over here that you are being referred by a friend. Okay, so the registration aspect of this is very smooth, is user friendly. Okay, and the next thing you have to do is to click over here to accept with the terms and condition, and then you proceed clicking on register. All right, and then you are done with the registration. So let's move towards the next step. So guys, once you are done with the registration aspect of this, your dashboard is going to look like this. Okay, the next thing you have to do is to verify your account. If you look over here, you will find out that I've already verified this account. Your Naira account has been verified. Now, we have Naira account in this platform and we also have dollar account, but what I verified is my Naira account. So I had to pay the sum of 1,050 Naira. It's not much, it's just very small amount of money so you can be able to verify your account. All right, now once you are done with the verification, you are going to scroll down so you can be able to start some jobs, which is some tax which can pay you some amount of money. All right, so this now is the one of the ways you can be able to make money using this platform. Remember I said I'm going to give out like 3 ways you can be able to make money using this platform. So the first way you can be able to make money using this platform is by completing simple tasks. Okay, the first task we'll have over here, say join a Telegram bot airdrop, hamster combat, new members only. So you are going to join this Telegram, then I think that's the only thing you can basically do, and you are going to be paid 16 Naira. So once you join this Telegram, you need to screenshot like a proof to show that you've joined this Telegram. Okay, so you are going to, let's click on this particular task. So once this particular task opens and you are done joining you're going to click, they are going to leave a link. Okay, right, this is the link. So you're going to click over you're going to click on this link, and this link is going to take you to the Telegram, so you can be able to join the Telegram and the rest of them. So once you are done with what they ask you to do, you have to screenshot it, then scroll down to this part to type inside this box. You're going to type probably done or completed. Then you're going to scroll down and click over here in order to upload your screenshot, which is proof that you've actually done or completed this task. Then the next thing you have to do is to click over here, which is to I agree that I will wait for a maximum of 24 hours for this task to be approved by the advertiser. All right, now once it's over 24 hours and the advertiser is here to approve your task, this site will automatically approve this site. Whether the advertiser approved it or not, they will automatically approve it and pay you your money. All right, now this is the first way you can be able to make money using this platform. Now let's move over to the second way or second method you can be able to make money using this platform. Let's go, guys. Now the second method or the second way you can be able to make money using this platform is for you to become an advertiser. You see all these people that is posting jobs, these jobs you are seeing right here, all these people, I want you to become one of them. Right now, I know you'll be thinking, how do they make money when they are the one paying you for completing some of these tasks? Now, these people are actually making money, but you do not know. You think they're just advertising and for you to be completing tasks. Nobody will tell you this thing, right? You might watch several videos of some persons making video about this platform, but they are not going to tell you anything like this. They're not going to show you like 3 ways you can be able to make money using this particular website. The second method you can be able to make money using this site is for you to become an advertiser. Now, these people paying you to complete tasks, in return, once you are done completing this task, in return they are going to get something. They are going to get paid. Now, how do these people get paid? Now, let me paint a scenario here. Let's say you opened an opay account. You know, opay, when you refer people to their platform, they are going to pay you, let's say 400 naira, 500 naira. Or let's use Piggyverse, for example. When you refer someone into Piggyverse, when you bring in someone into Piggyverse platform, Piggyverse is going to pay you the sum of 1,000 naira. All right. Now, for you to bring in people, you are going to advertise. You are going to become one of these people, advertisers. All right. Now you are going to bring your referral link, then create an advertisement here, post it and say, if you complete my task, if you register in opay, if you register with Piggyverse, I'm going to pay you the sum of 100 naira. Now, anybody that is here to register with opay or Piggyverse, once they are done and you pay them the sum of 100 naira, if Piggyverse, for example, pays you your 1,000, let's say your profit is going to be 900 naira. You see, so now calculate how many persons is going to use your link to register with Piggyverse. Then you know how much you are going to. So these people posting this advert, they are actually getting money, they are getting paid, but you do not know. All right. Now, how do you advertise? How do you create your own advert? Now, this is what you're going to do. Click over here, this hamburger sign. So once you click over there, the next place you're going to click is over here, which is create banner ad. Right now, once you click on create banner ad, you're going to click on create. The reason why you're clicking on create is that you are creating for the first time. Let's say you've created multiple ad. You are going to click over here, which is list, to list the various ad you've created. All right, but because you are creating for the first time, so you just have to click on create. Let's click on create. And once you click on create, it's going to bring you over to this interface. Right now, over here, you are meant to upload a picture of your banner. Now, this picture could be, if let's say you want to refer someone to opay, you are going to, let's say you download opay logo, or if you want to refer someone or bring in someone into Piggyverse platform, you're going to download, let's say, Piggyverse logo. All right, yes, so that is going to be your picture or your image, or as they say here, upload image of banner. Okay, that's what you're going to upload here. Now, this place that says external link, this is where you are going to type in or paste your referral link. Let's use it that way. So this is where you're going to paste your referral link. All right, that once people click on it, is going to direct them over to, let's say, opay or Piggyverse platform. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to click over here to click this button. All right, now I advise you click the whole button. They say choose target audience over here. As you can see, choose target over here. These are the people that you would want them to see your adverts. So click in all of them, select all of them. All right, select every single one of them. So once you are done selecting all of them, you are going to enter the budget, which is the total amount you want to spend for this particular ad. Let's say you want to spend 10,000 naira or 5,000 naira or 20,000 naira. Just type it inside here. All right, type it inside here, and then the next thing you are going to do is to click over here, which is post banner, and boom, you are done. So anybody that clicks to your ad, let's say you are going to pay each person 100 naira, the person is going to complete your task, which is registering to, let's say, opay or piggyverse, and then piggyverse or opay will eventually give you their commission, and this is how these people make money. And this is the second method you can be able to use to make money using this platform. If you have gotten to this extent in this video, I want you to do something for me that won't take you 3 seconds. Click the like button of this video. Yes, go ahead now and click the like button of this video to show appreciation of the value you are getting in today's video. All right, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I still don't know what you are waiting for. Click the subscription button and turn on the bell notification to join this beautiful family. I hope you've done that. Thank you. Now let's move to the third step, or the third method which you are going to make money using this platform. Let's go, guys. Now the third method you can use to make money using this platform is referral method. Now this platform promise to pay you the sum of 500 naira whenever you bring in someone to their platform or to make use of their platform. They promise to pay you the sum of 500 naira. So imagine how many persons you are going to bring in, multiply it by the amount they are going to pay you, which is 500 naira, and you are going to see how much you are going to be making. All right, that is the third method which you are going to use to make money using this platform. Now coming down to the my honest opinion concerning this site, which is, can you probably make good amount of money using this platform? The answer is yes, and the answer is no. Now hear me out. If you depend on completing simple tasks, surely you're probably not going to make enough of money. You'll be making like some little amount of money. But when you venture into advertising, looking out for sites that can pay you commissions for bringing in people to make use of the platform, let's use opay for example, or piggyverse for example. The amount of persons you are going to bring into their platform and the commission they are going to give you, multiply it, you are going to see that you are going to make enough of money. And when you join it with the third method which you are going to use to make money using this platform, which is bringing people to make use of this platform, you are also going to get money using this method. Now this is my honest opinion. Do not depend on the simple tasks. You are not going to make any money from this platform. Join in with becoming an advertiser with this platform and also referring people to this. That's the only way you can be able to make money using this platform. All right, this is my honest opinion. So let's say you referred like let's say 1,060 persons. Let's multiply and see. 500 naira, then you multiply by, let's say, 1,066 persons. You are going to get the sum of 533,000 naira. That is if you are getting paid 500 naira per person you refer to this company. Now when you join it with the persons you bring into, let's say, opay or piggyverse platform, you're going to see that you're going to make a whole lot of money. Nobody is going to tell you this. I bet the videos you might have watched, nobody is going to like give you this analysis that I gave you in today's video, right? Now, so guys, this is what I'm talking about. These are the ways you can be able to make money using this platform. You're going to make a whole lot of money. Now I'm going to create another WhatsApp group so I can be able to accept new members. So in case you would want to join this beautiful family and connect directly with me, stay tuned, click the like of this video to show appreciation. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification. In my next video, I might choose to create another WhatsApp group so you can be able to join us. So do not fail. All right, now guys, see you. This is what I have for you. in today's video. Hi there, I'm sure you enjoyed this video and you liked it. If you're yet to like this video, please use 3 seconds of your time to click the like button of this video to show appreciation of the value you got in today's video, guys. If you're yet to join this beautiful family, go ahead and smash that subscription button, but do not forget to turn on the bell notification so you always get notified anytime we upload awesome content just like this one you watched. Guys, I made a video concerning a legit platform where you can easily invest your money and get return on investment or commission every single day. Now, the best part of this is that you do not need to do any single thing before you can be able to get commission or return on investment using this platform. I recommend you watch this video by clicking the video you are seeing right now on the screen, and I will see you on the inside. Let's go, guys. Click on the video.